Let's try one more. What do we need to do first to compare these two amounts? Say it out loud. I bet you said we need to put the numbers in the same form. And you're right. First, let's look at 3 hundreds, 2 tens, 3 ones. What should we write to put that amount in standard form, and how do you know? Say it out loud. I bet you said that in standard form we should write 323 because we can see in unit form that there are 300s, so we write 300, 2 tens, so we put a 2 in the tens place, and 3 ones, which means we put a 1 in the ones place. Nice job. What about 300 plus 20 plus 7? How can we write that amount in standard form, and how do you know? Say it out loud. I bet you said we should write 327 because the value 300 means we need to write 3 in the hundreds place, the value of 20 means we should put 2 in the tens place, and the value of 7 means we should put 7 in the ones place. Nice work. Now we're ready to write our comparison sentence. What place should we start comparing in and why? Say it out loud. I bet you said we should start comparing in the hundreds place because it's the greatest place. And you're right. How many hundreds in 323? I bet you said 3. And how many hundreds are in 327? I bet you said 3. The hundreds are the same. What do we need to do and why? Say it out loud. I bet you said we should move on and compare in the tens place because the tens place is the next largest place. Let's do it. How many tens are in 323? Right, 2 tens. And how many tens are in 327? I bet you said 2 tens. Our tens are the same. Now what should we do and why? Say it out loud. I bet you said that we should compare in the ones place because the ones place is the next largest place after the tens. Let's do it. How many ones are in 323? Right, 3 ones. And how many ones are in 327? Right, 7 ones. So what symbol should we write to complete our comparison sentence and why? Say it out loud. I bet you said that we should use the less than symbol to complete this comparison sentence because 323 is less than 327. That means 3 hundreds, 2 tens, 3 ones is less than 300 plus 20 plus 7. Nice work. What symbol would we use if the ones place was also the same? Say it out loud. I bet you said we would use the equal sign. And you're right. If the hundreds, the tens, and the ones are all the same when we compare 3-digit numbers, that means the amount is equal, so we would use the equal sign to compare. Think about the work that we did together today. How do we compare 3-digit numbers in different forms? When you're ready to answer, click the arrow to move to the next slide to type or record your response.